Hello, this is Ben Velasco from Wonderware, California. Join us for the one industrial software event not to be missed this year, the Wonderware Headquarters Summit in Lake Forest, California on October 1st and 2nd. On day one, you'll get to meet with Aviva management, you get to network with industry peers, and tour the demo labs at our facility to see where the industry is headed. Also, on day two, we'll have free hands-on training for solutions for your digital journey. Manufacturing customers will learn how to leverage the cloud to deliver OEE results fast. You'll also see how model-driven MES helps deliver industry best practices out of the box. We'll cover how to get started with System Platform and InTouch Edge, and we'll even cover how to build a unified operations center interface with OMI. We'll configure remote alarm notifications with TopView, and you also get reporting and dashboards training for our cloud historian, Aviva Insight. We'll have classes for Dream Report, both for new and advanced users, so you can save time automating reports. And we'll also show you how to create user-friendly operations dashboards with Alpana. There's also classes for digitizing mobile rounds, and we'll even cover machine learning and predictive analytics for asset performance management. So sign up for the event today and register for these classes before they fill up at california.wonderware.com, or you can click on the link below. We look forward to seeing you there at the Wonderware headquarters in Lake Forest, and as always, thanks for watching.